We have already discussed about 8 countries from Asia, Europe, Africa and Americas so far in Know the Country series. Now let's continue our discussion on the next country in this series from the largest country in Oceania. But before that, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon if you haven't done already, so that you won't miss more interesting videos in the future. Also, do not miss the fact of the day at the end of this video. Without any further delay, let's start today's episode. Hello aspiring Sarvagnanis. Welcome to my channel. This video explains about basic details of the 9th country in this series, Australia. Australia is officially known as the Commonwealth of Australia. It is the only country in this world that is also a continent. It comprises of the mainland of the Australian continent, the island of Tasmania, and numerous smaller islands, and is located between the Pacific and Indian Oceans in the southern hemisphere. As Australia is surrounded by water on all sides, it has no land borders with other nations. As Australia is already a continent, by definition it cannot be considered as an island. Australia has a wide variety of climates due to its large geographical size. The largest part of Australia is desert or semi-arid. Only the southeast and southwest corners have a temperate climate and moderately fertile soil. The northern part of the country has a tropical climate varying between grasslands and desert. As Australia is part of the southern hemisphere, its seasons will be opposite to what the people in the northern hemisphere are used to. When it's winter in Europe and Latin America, it's summer south of the equator. Australia consists of 6 states, 3 internal territories and 7 external territories. In total, there are 10 territories in Australia, with internal territories being on the Australian mainland and external territories being sovereign territories offshore. It is the 6th largest country in the world, covering an area of 7.69 million square kilometers. It is the largest country without land borders and the largest country which lies completely in the southern hemisphere. As of today, the current population is estimated to be just above 22.6 million. It is equivalent to 0.33% of the total world population. The population density is 3 people per square kilometer. This makes it one of the least densely populated countries in the world. As most of the inner regions of Australia are covered with the desert, most of Australia's population is concentrated on or around the more hospitable coastal areas. The male to female ratio is approximately 0.99. The first fleet of British ships had arrived at Sydney Harbour on Jan 26, 1788, which is celebrated as Australia Day. Slowly, the British established 6 self-governed British colonies in Australia. The population grew steadily in subsequent decades, and by the time of 1850s gold rush, most of the continent had been explored by European settlers. On 1st Jan 1901, the 6 colonies federated, forming the Commonwealth of Australia. Melbourne was chosen as the temporary seat of government from 1901 to 1927, while the capital city Canberra was being constructed. Even after its independence, Queen Elizabeth II is still considered as the head of the state since 1952. As a founding member of the Commonwealth and a former British colony before Federation in 1901, Australia's constitution is influenced heavily by the British parliamentary system of government as well as the United States Constitution. Government is made up of 3 branches. The executive branch, which consists of the Prime Minister, the ministers and government departments. The legislative branch, consisting of the Parliament of Australia and the monarch Queen Elizabeth II, and the judicial branch consisting of the federal and state courts. The Prime Minister of Australia is the head of government of Australia. As of 2018, the adult literacy rate in Australia is estimated to be around 99%. As of 2018, the average life expectancy at birth is estimated to be around 83 years. Christianity is the major religion in Australia, and around 52% of their population practice it. Historically, the percentage was far higher. Now the religious landscape of Australia is changing and diversifying. Nearly 40% of their population doesn't follow any religion. A small percentage of their population practice Islam, Buddhism and Hinduism. Although English is not Australia's official language, it is still considered as its national language and is almost universally spoken. Australian English is a major variety of the language with a distinctive pronunciation and lexicon, and differs slightly from other varieties of English in grammar and spelling. Other languages spoken by a minor percentage of their population include Chinese, Arabic, Vietnamese and Italian. According to the World Bank, the gross domestic product in Australia was approximately 1.4 trillion US dollars in 2019, which represents 1.6% of the total world economy. The Australian dollar is the official currency of Australia. As of today, 1 Australian dollar equals 0.76 United States dollar. Australia is the second largest economy in the entire world regarding wealth owned per every adult after Switzerland. Service industry comprises over 70% of their GDP. The major industries are tourism, media and entertainment, healthcare, logistics, education and finance sectors. The main exports are iron ore, coal, natural gas, gold, aluminium, copper and meat, mainly to China, Japan, South Korea, United States and India. The main imports are petroleum, cars, computers, medicines and furniture from China, United States, Japan, Germany and Thailand. Australia has the 16th highest poverty rate out of the 34 wealthiest countries in the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development (OECD). As of 2020, it is estimated that approximately 13.6% of the total population is living below the poverty line. After the Commonwealth of Australia was formed, thousands of proposals were submitted by the general public in flag design competitions. The winning design, announced on September 3, 1901, is basically still in use today. This day is celebrated as the Australian National Flag Day. It has the Union Jack in the canton of a blue field displaying 5 white multi-pointed stars in the form of the Southern Cross constellation plus a 7-pointed Commonwealth star. Minor modifications were made on February 20, 1903 and the flag became official for use on government vessels on May 22, 1909. Red kangaroo is the national animal of Australia and emu is its national bird. Interestingly, those two animals were chosen on the Australian coat of arms because they can't walk backwards, reflecting a forward-thinking culture. Australia has a complex set of time zones, some of which have an unusual UTC offset. It uses 3 main time zones: Australian Western Standard Time, Australian Central Standard Time and Australian Eastern Standard Time. Daylight saving time is used in the South Centre and Southeast Australian states. In addition, Australia's external territories follow other different time zones. Canberra is the capital city of Australia. Even though it is just the 8th largest city in Australia, the constitution chose a site at least 100 miles from Sydney due to the political rivalries between the colonies of New South Wales, Victoria, South Australia, Queensland, Western Australia and Tasmania around the time of Federation. Melbourne was the temporary capital until the new capital was built. Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Perth and Adelaide are the major cities of Australia. Must-see places in this country include Great Barrier Reef, which is the world's largest coral reef system composed of over 2,900 individual reefs and 900 islands stretching for over 2,300 kilometers. Sydney Opera House, which is a multi-venue performing arts centre at Sydney Harbour. The Great Ocean Road, which is the 243-kilometer stretch of road along the southeastern coast of Australia with prominent landmarks including the 12 Apostles limestone stack formations. Kangaroo Island, which is home to native wildlife like sea lions, koalas and diverse bird species, and Whitsunday Islands, which are famous for dense rainforest, hiking trails and white sand beaches. Most popular food in Australia include chicken parmigiana, which is a chicken schnitzel topped with an Italian-inspired tomato sauce and melted cheese, Vegemite on toast, which is an authentic healthy breakfast made from yeast extract, grilled kangaroo, where the healthy marinated kangaroo meat is slow barbecued, fish and chips, where the fresh fish is fried and served with chips, salt and lemon, meat pies, which is a popular snack stuffed with minced meat, gravy, mushrooms, onions and cheese, Tim Tams, which are chocolate biscuits that are made up of 2 layers of chocolate malted biscuit, and pavlova, which is a meringue-based cake with whipped cream and fruits on top. Cricket, Aussie rules football and rugby league are the 3 most popular sports in Australia. In addition, horse racing, tennis, football and rugby union are the other popular sports over there. And this concludes our discussion on Australia, which is the 9th country in this series. How did you guys like it? If you guys learned something new, please hit a like and share it with your friends and family. Do you want me to add any more details about a country in my next videos? Let me know in the comments below and also share any of your experiences with this country that you may have. And now the fact of the day. Australia is rich in wildlife. 80% of the animals are unique to Australia. Marsupials like koalas, quokka, and kangaroos can be found nowhere else in the world. There are over 60 different species of kangaroos. Two native Australian animals, platypus and echidnas, are the only two mammals in the world that lay eggs to give birth. 17 of the world's most venomous snakes can be found in Australia. Australia is home to around 1500 types of spiders, 4000 types of ants, and 350 types of termites. Australia has a larger population of camels than Egypt. It has 3 times more sheep than people.